Beautiful sunny day, so I've brought the Clan Crusader out essential shopping. But I came here to tell you that if you're out essential shopping, you should pop into your nearest newsagents or WH Smith's or supermarket or wherever you can find it and get the latest copy of Complete Kit Car magazine. Because there are two things that people do with a rare car like the Clan. They either spiel out a load of facts and stories that have been told a million times before because the car's so rare people can't be bothered to go and do the research, or they put a load of half-truths and rumours from the forums together and stitch something together which is really poetic but isn't that true. Jack Wood has done neither of those things. He's told a story about the Clan Crusader and my story with the Clan Crusader in a way that I think does, well, a service to the car and to the people who are enthusiastic about this car. And if that's not you, then you should read the article, and then it will be you, because you won't fail to be enthusiastic about the Clan Crusader when you find out a bit more about it. So Complete Kit Car magazine this month, and make sure you check the inside back cover as well. Maybe avoid the editor's intro if you don't like controversial things. And now we go shopping.